Hi, everyone. My name is Stephen Washington, and every month I help you stay grounded and focused through mindfulness and movement. So, when I was thinking about what to share with you all for this Heart Mind moment this month, what came to mind is fear, the emotion of fear. What is fear? Fear is an unpleasant feeling triggered by the perception of danger, real or imagined. Now, we all experience fear, right? No one gets through life without feeling fearful, and fear serves a purpose. It generally keeps us safe, but something happens often with many of us is that we can feel fear at times and in situations when we're really not truly in any kind of danger, right? Something interesting happens when we feel fear. It triggers something in the body, the physiological thing that happens. When we feel fear, it triggers a part of the brain to turn on, the amygdala. The amygdala is that part of the brain associated with fear. And when the amygdala is turned on, it turns off another part of the brain, the cerebral cortex. And that part of the brain is responsible for logic and reason and decision making. So imagine we feel fear, adrenaline is going, stress hormones are being released, and that part of the brain that can logically assess a situation is turned off. So one of the things that's helpful when we're dealing with fear and when we feel triggered is finding a way to calm ourselves down, to regulate ourselves, and to switch off that fight, flight, freeze response and to come to a more state of balance. When I think about how I dealt with fear pre-sobriety, I dealt with it by drinking and by doing drugs and smoking cigarettes, checking out, delaying any kind of work on dealing with my fears, kicking the can down the road. And I did that for a long time. Now, post-sobriety, I have different solutions for fear. One of the things that I learned early on in recovery was to make a list of my fears, write down the things that I'm afraid of, and take each and every one of those things, those scenarios, and kind of play the tape out. Like, what would happen if this fear became a reality? And honestly, my experience is when those things sometimes happen, and oftentimes they don't happen, but when they do happen, generally the thing that I was so afraid of when it happens is not as bad as I imagined it would be. So that's one thing that's helped me over time. And also just sharing my fears with another person is really helpful. Not keeping our fears to ourselves. Oftentimes we will feel fearful, but we'll not tell anyone, and we'll just try to muscle our way through it. But the solution, a part of the solution, is reaching out for help and letting someone know, hey, I'm having a hard time with this. I'm feeling really fearful about this. Oftentimes what will happen is that person will acknowledge that that's something that they have also dealt with as well. And they may have solutions to share with you, a way to help you shift out of that feeling of fearfulness and help you to self-regulate and calm yourself down and take a look at the situation that you're in, perhaps with a different set of eyes. So really, it's about getting into action and finding solutions. I want to share with you a simple movement that you can do to help you self-regulate, activate certain type of energy in your body. So in traditional Chinese medicine, the kidneys are associated with fear, and the kidneys are located in the lower back area. So we're just going to make soft fists. You'll place your soft fists on your low back, and you'll tap. Tap along your kidney area. And you just take some nice deep breaths in. So you're going to breathe in through your nose and exhale out through your mouth. Now this time, as you exhale, I want to invite you to use a healing sound for the kidneys, and that is CHWOO. Let's do that twice more. We're releasing the energy of fear. Then relax your arms down. You can even close your eyes. And just notice what you feel. Tune into your own energy, your physical energy, your emotional energy, your mental energy. Beautiful. Well, thank you so much for tuning in for August. Self-care is an important part of helping you stay grounded, peaceful, balanced, and happy in this crazy, crazy world. That's why I created SWE Studio Movement and Wellness Membership. It includes something for just about every part of you. Pilates strengthens your body. Qigong moves your energy. Meditation calms your mind. Laughter medicine lifts your spirits, and so much more. I'm offering a 14-day free trial offer, so giving you access to a huge library of movement classes and self-care resources to help you help yourself. So I'd love for you to join me. You'll find the link for this and all my other offerings below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks so much for watching, and have a great month, everyone.